Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video generation. As technology continues to advance, we're seeing incredible innovations in artificial intelligence that are transforming the way we create content. In this video, we'll be exploring a cutting-edge AI video generation website and reviewing its features, capabilities, and potential applications. From automated video editing to personalized content creation, AI has the power to revolutionize the way we produce videos for marketing, education, entertainment, and more. Join me as we take a closer look at this exciting technology and discover how it can enhance our creative workflows and streamline video production processes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or simply curious about the latest advancements in AI, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey into the fascinating world of AI video generation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews, tutorials, and insights on emerging technologies. Let's get started. Today, we are going to review the AI video generation website called Vizsla. You can simply search for it on Google or click the link in the video description. After navigating to the website and completing the registration process, you can click on Get Started for free. This action will lead you directly to your Vizsla dashboard, providing access to a range of features. Here, you can create new videos using AI, upload your own videos for AI editing, and explore many other functionalities. In this video, we aim to create a new production from simple text. To initiate this process, we simply click on Create Video, which directs us to a text field where we can input all desired content for the video. Here, you also have the flexibility to adjust various elements such as video speed, voiceover preferences, and more. As an illustration, we will explore a teaching video focusing on Ohm's law. We type, I want to create a learning video about Ohm's law. Ohm's law should be taught by giving simple numerical examples, but also the physics behind it should be discussed. The video should have background music of the rock genre. Additionally, the video should contain an image of an electrical resistor. Now, we simply click on Generate Video, and the video we specified will be generated. This process takes a while and depends on the desired video length. We will skip this process and jump directly to the result. Once the video is generated, we can preview it. One can also make some post-edits, however this will trigger a regeneration. So let's see what we got.
Let's dive into Ohm's law, a fundamental concept in physics and electrical engineering. Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage applied across it. For example, if we have a resistor with a voltage of 12 volts and a current of 3 amps, we can calculate the resistance using Ohm's law. The formula for Ohm's law is R equals V by I, where R is resistance, V is voltage, and I is current. Understanding Ohm's law allows us to analyze and design electrical circuits with precision and efficiency. Now, let's explore the rock-solid foundation of Ohm's law while jamming to some energetic rock music in the background. Imagine an electrical resistor, a key component in demonstrating Ohm's law, as we unravel the mysteries of electrical resistance. By grasping Ohm's law, we gain insight into the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance, shaping our understanding of electricity. Let Ohm's law be your guiding light in navigating the electrifying world of circuits and conductivity. Embrace the power of Ohm's law, where numbers meet physics, and the spark of knowledge ignites a brighter understanding.
This was the video. To export the video, you can click on Export, and you can download it. If the video contains premium stocks, you have to upgrade your subscription or regenerate the video without using premium stock. Okay, now let's review the video. Vizsla promotes AI video generation, which is true, but we first thought that the video material in the video will be AI generated as well. Here the AI only assembles several video snippets made by human together based on the text script. But the AI understood and described using the formula of Ohm's law without that we had to mention it in the text. All in all, we gave this tool a rating of 4 of 5 stars, and we think it is a really cool tool to play around with. If you want to use it for business, you have to pay for a subscription, which is $19 per month. Then the watermarks will be removed from the content. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more educational content on artificial intelligence and beyond. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating quality content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll delve deeper into the exciting world of science and technology. We can't wait to see you in the next video as we continue our learning journey together. Until then, keep experimenting, keep exploring, and have fun playing around with this AI tool.